dun yun. Ay, hindi. Teleport. Teleport din.
Snake! Wow!
Usual favorite. Ano siya na?
A big snake.
Ay, Luis, oh.
This.
Scary na yun.
This.
Oh, ay, tanya to kay Kim.
I don't like snake. Come on.
This.
We don't like snake.
Yeah. Diba lang guys? This is not my snake.
Makakulong mo mo na yung pangalawal din.
The one with the long top na face. Mom!
Ay, Luis! You touch.
That's anaconda.
Oh, you touch him. I will picture you.
That's called an anaconda. That is an anaconda. What? Oh! What is that?
Oh.
Ano ka leopard gecko? I saw something cute. Look, it's a leopard gecko. So
Ano?
cute.
Tara.
One is sleeping on
Okay na, mag-exit ka na. Ay, what's that? Ay,
Iguanas.
ayan. You picture. Makino, ano sa Kenny? Uy,
Ay, tao. Lipas.
that cockroach.
What?
Ikaw, cockroach.
Yeah.
Kenny, cockroach. Ikaw.
Oh, the cockroach.
Where's the orange head though? Find the orange head.
Oh, find the orange head.
This one, no? Where's the orange head? Here.
You can see it.
Ay, tawad, kada ganit ang cockroach kaya talo siya, oh. Tawad.
Look, fishing cockroach.
Ay, no, ay, no. Ito, ay, ni Bawa.
Pag tinatch mo lang din yun,
Ayan, no. Ayan, no, layan mo lang, no, kada ganit. Ay, gamot. Kenny ka. Wala kang kakatakutan.
Di ako.
Tatakot yung tao.
Now let's come back to the center.
This one also ito. Ito, sleeping yung ganang kilpo.
Ay, ditang kabila, walo siya. Walo siya. Where's in you?
A snake.
Ay, never. Luis, oh, this one.
That's a turtle.
Snapping turtle.
You said we got turtles. That's a snapping turtle.
Yeah, let's go now.
Let's go to the
A
next
frog. This one, a frog. Pac-Man frog. Where's the frog? Eh, it's not here. Oh. Let's go. That one, oh.
Okay, that's a leopard gecko.
Leopard gecko.
Let's go. I can see an animal kingdom.
Blue mon. Ay, nawala siya. Luis. Tarantula.
Tarantula.
Ayan, no?
Let's go the tarantula. Tarantula. The tarantula. Tarantula. What is this at the phone?
Ay, hedgehog. Ay, taway. It's hiding inside the
Hedgehog.
hedgehog.
Next one is what I Hedgehog. There, that's the back of the hedgehog.
Katago. Ang tenga pala.
May
May
the